Hello everyone, you're welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn instance of operator. So let's start. Instance of operator. There are a few points regarding to instance of operator. Number 1, Java instance operator. Java instance operator is used to test whether the object is an instance of the specified type, means class or subclass or interface. It means to check the object is which type, a class type or a subclass type or a interface type. To check this, we use instance of operator. Instance of in Java is also known as type comparison operator because it compares the instance with type. It returns either true or false. If we apply the instance of operator with any variable that has null value, it returns false. Okay, now let's see an example of instance of operator. Here we are creating a test class test public static void main. Okay, now we are creating an object of test class test t equal to new test. This is the test class object. T is a reference variable. T is called a reference variable or object. T is called a reference variable. Okay, so now we are applying instance of operator. T is instance of test. What we are checking here? We are checking the type of T is test type. Type of T is test type. Yes, that's why the result will be true because T object is test type object. Let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. Okay, so here we have created test class in previous videos, so I'm just using that one. So here what I'm doing, I'm creating a test class object. Test t equal to new test. Okay, now I am applying t instance of test. Now I am running this program, the result will be true. Okay, now go for the next point. Next point is an object of subclass type. An object of subclass type is also a type of parent class. What is a parent class and child class? I have already teach you, but in detail we learn in the concept of inheritance. In the inheritance we learn in detail what is subclass and parent class, but in my previous classes I already teach you what is subclass and parent class. Like a parent class means uh, child class which inherit the property from the parent class, like animal. Animal is a parent class. If you say dog, dog is a child class because in animal all animal comes, but the specific type is dog. So dog is a child class and animal is a parent class. So this kind of concept is called a parent class or subclass. Subclass or child class both are same. Okay, so an object of subclass type is also a type of parent class. For example, if a dog extends animal, then object of dog can be referred by either dog or animal class. Let's see an example. Here we have created a class animal. We have created class animal. Class animal. Okay, then we create a subclass. Subclass, how to create a subclass? So creating a subclass we use the extends keywords, then parent class name, then parent class name. So all the property of animal is comes in the dog class. Okay, in detail we learn in the inheritance Okay, so not much worry about that. So just for understanding of instance of operator, I'm using this. So class dog extends animal. Okay, public static void main, which is a main method, which is important for running this program. Okay, so now we are creating a dog class object, dog d equal to new dog. Now if we apply instance of operator d instance of animal, means the type of d object is animal type. Yes, because animal is a parent class. So dog, we also can, dog is also an animal and dog is also dog. So if we apply the instance of operator on dog, if we say d is an instance of dog, which is also true because d is a dog type object. But if we say d is an instance of animal, which is also true because dog is dog and dog is also animal. I hope you understand the concept. Now let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. For that we create a new class. So main class is dog class. So this is our Java project, first Java project. In this project we create all the classes for our course. Now we are creating a new class which is the dog class because dog is a main class. So dog, then public static void main finish. Okay, then remove it. So first we have to create a parent class. So we go up. So in the Eclipse you have to keep one thing in mind, in a one file. So in a one file only one class is defined with a public access specifier. So for defining a parent class or other class in the same class, in the same class, same Java class, we not use a public access specifier. Class animal. Okay, so this is define animal class. If we apply public here, then it will compile time error. What is the error? Error is saying the public type animal must be defined in its own file. Okay, so for define we can define only one public class in a file and we can define multiple class in a same file, but public class should be one. Okay, just remove it and we use the extends keyword. Extends animal. Extends animal. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are creating the reference or object of dog class. Dog d equal to new dog. Okay, and now we are applying instance of operator. D instance of animal. Okay, now second one, D instance of dog. Now control S, then run this program. So you get the output true and true. Okay, now go for the next point. The next point is instance of in Java with a variable that have null value. If we apply instance of operator with a variable that have null value, it returns false. Let's see the example given below where we apply instance of operator with the variable that have null value. So here we are creating as usual test class, public static void main method, and here we are not creating the object, we are creating the reference variable which is t, or we are passing null. Reference variable and object both are same, but we are not creating by using the new keyword, we are assigning the null value to this object. If we apply t instance of test, it will always give a false. let's I show you. So let's go to our test class, and here we have created a test class object. Here we are passing null. Okay, then control S and run this program, so you will get a false. Okay, so now, so this is all about the instance of operator. I hope you enjoy and learn the concept of instance of operator. Thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learning new operator in Java.